Starting an online store is exciting, but choosing the right platform can feel overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner. Two of the most popular options out there are Shopify and Wix Ecommerce. Both are powerful in their own way, but which one is better suited for someone who's just getting started? In this video, I'll walk you through the key differences between Shopify and Wix, covering features, pricing, ease of use, and what makes each platform unique. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which of these platforms is the best for your business. But without further ado, let's get started. We'll first start with Shopify. Shopify has built its reputation as a dedicated e-commerce platform. Everything about Shopify is designed with selling in mind, which makes it ideal for users who want to focus solely on running an online business. From the moment you sign up, the systems guides you through setting up a store, adding products, and setting up essential features like payment methods and shipping. It's a professional, streamlined experience. However, beginners might find it slightly less intuitive than Wix because it doesn't have the same drag and drop customization capabilities. Instead, Shopify prioritizes structure and functionality, which is perfect for stores looking to scale quickly. Wix, on the other hand, started as a website builder and expanded into e-commerce. Its strength lies in its simplicity and flexibility. Wix's drag and drop editor is extremely beginner friendly, allowing you to design your site exactly how you want, even if you've never built a website before. You can easily move elements, customize layouts, and experiment with colors and fonts. This level of creative freedom is great for people who want their online store to reflect a unique brand identity. However, it's worth noting that Wix's e-commerce features aren't as extensive as Shopify's, making it better suited for small to medium-sized stores. In terms of design, both platforms offer plenty of options, but the experience differs. Shopify provides a curated section of themes, many of which are optimized for conversions and look professional right out of the box. These themes are responsive, ensuring your store looks great on mobile devices, and you can customize them using Shopify's editor. For those with coding knowledge, Shopify also allows deeper customization through its liquid programming language. Wix, by comparison, offers hundreds of templates, and its design process is far more hands-on. You can adjust every element on the page, giving you complete control over the look and feel of your store. The downside is that once you choose a template in Wix, you can't switch to another without rebuilding your site, so picking the right one from the start is critical. When it comes to e-commerce features, Shopify is the clear winner here for robust tools. It offers everything you need to run a professional store, including advanced inventory management, multiple payment gateways, abandoned cart recovery, and access to a huge app store with over 8,000 integrations. These features make Shopify ideal for scaling businesses or stores that expect to handle high volume of sales. Wix does offer essential e-commerce tools like product pages, payment processing, and basic inventory management, but it lacks some of the more advanced features that Shopify provides. For example, while Wix supports abandoned cart emails, it doesn't offer as much flexibility in tracking inventory or managing large catalogs. Pricing is another important consideration for beginners. Shopify's basic plan starts at $39 per month, offering unlimited products, 24/7 customer support, and access to key sales channels like Facebook and Instagram. However, transaction fees apply unless you will use Shopify payments. Wix's e-commerce plans start at just $27 per month, which are slightly lower than Shopify's and include features such as a free custom domain for the first year and access to their drag and drop editor. For beginners who are on more of a tight budget, Wix might feel just a bit more approachable due to its lower starting price. However, Shopify's comprehensive features and scalability often justify the higher cost, especially for those serious about growing their online store. For Shopify, the process begins with signing up for a free trial. Once you're in, Shopify guides you through the basics, choosing a theme, adding products, setting up a payment, and shipping options. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, focusing on sales performance and orders. You can quickly add product descriptions, upload images, and even integrate marketing tools like email marketing if you have it. If you're someone who values efficiency, Shopify's setup process feels like it was built for you. Wix, by contrast, starts by asking you what kind of website you want to create, and you can choose from hundreds of templates tailored to specific industries, and the drag and drop editor gives you instant control over your design. For example, you can click on a section, move it around, resize it without touching a single line of code. Adding products is equally straightforward. You can simply click the Add Products button, fill out the details, upload images, and choose your payment options. Wix also includes a visual preview of your store as you build it, which makes it easy to see how everything comes together in real time. Now let's talk about how easy it is to get started with each of these platforms. If you want to get started with Shopify, I would highly recommend doing so by using the link down in the description. When you click that link, you'll be able to get started with Shopify for your first 3 months for only $1, which is an amazing deal and discount to get started with such a powerful platform. Once you guys click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. In order to get access to $1 for your first 3 months, all you have to do is enter in your email address and you can hit the start free trial button. The best part about this is that you'll get the first couple of days for absolutely free. You don't even have to pay that $1 yet. yet. We'll then make a quick password here and then hit the create Shopify account button. Once we do that, it will then ask us a few questions about the type of store that we want to create, but we can go through this and either hit next, or skip all of these. Again, these questions don't matter that much in the grand scheme of things. There's also their pricing plans, their basic plan, Shopify plan, and advanced plan, which you can get access to for only $1 for your first 3 months. Otherwise, they're $39, $105 for the Shopify plan, or advanced plan $399. But for now, we can go to the bottom and say skip, I'll decide later, which will take us into Shopify's dashboard. This is what the dashboard looks like. And as you can see on the left here, we have orders. We can see our drafts, shipping labels, and abandoned checkouts. We have our products. We can then click the add product button or import. We can hit the add product button, which will take us into the product section where we can import our titles, descriptions, meta, media, categories, and a host of other important details. There's also our inventory where we can track inventory by doing this. And then there's also our customers page, where we can check out all of our customers. We have our marketing tab where we can see important things like online store sessions, online store conversion rate, average order value, orders attributed to marketing, sales attributed to marketing, and even total sales, as well as creating activity on this so we can see, and then top marketing channels. And then we can even add marketing apps to this. And then if we want to edit our online store, we can go to themes here. And this is where we can mess around with some of the themes. We can hit the customize button to customize these themes. Then we can also add themes from the theme library. And then they have the popular themes area where we can see a bunch of different themes that we can actually get started with. You can add any of these by hitting the add button and then go up here to the customize button. Once you hit the customize button, you'll then be taken to this page where you can start messing around with the actual editor, which again is really easy to use and very intuitive. All we simply have to do, you can click into things, double click on things, and start editing them as easy as going to the left here and things like that. Once you're done with it, you can hit the save button at the top here and you're pretty much ready to go with your Shopify store. Now, vice versa, if you want to get started with Wix, you can get started with them for completely free. All you have to do is enter in your email address and hit the start button. Make sure you use the link down in the description, which should take you to a page that looks like this. We'll enter in our email address, hit the start button, which will then take us to this page where we just need to create a quick password and then hit the sign up button. And then once you've answered all those questions, you should be brought to this page where you can actually start building your website. The coolest part about Wix is that they have an artificial intelligence website builder, which means that you can use artificial intelligence to build your website completely from scratch, especially if it's an e-commerce store. We'll simply hit the start chat button and then enter in whatever type of store we'd like to create. So I could say I want to build a fitness apparel website. I can say that I want to build a fitness apparel website. The AI will do some thinking and then respond to you and ask you more details and questions about the website so that way it can build it for you. Once you've done all of that, the AI will start building the website and doing it to your specifications. In just a matter of moments, we officially have our very first Wix website completely ready to go. We can also do the same things like we do on Shopify, where we can add products, set up our shipping, set up payments, design our website, and do a host of other important things. There's also, of course, the home button, and then we can go up to the top here where we can design our site. We can hit the design site button and then either generate with artificial intelligence or use a template. If we choose the pick template option, we can see that they have hundreds of templates that we can choose from, each one of them looking even better than the last. You can hit the edit button on any of these, which will then take you into the website editor where you can start editing the actual template itself and start making changes as easily as dragging and dropping. As you can see, if I want to edit any part of this, I can simply click on something and drag it to wherever I would like it to be on the actual page. We can click into any part of this as well, and it's super easy to use. Just like this, I can move it around. And that's pretty much it. Let me know down in the comments below which of these platforms you're a fan of and which one you're planning on getting started with. Remember to use the links down in the description in order to get the best skills possible when getting started with either of these platforms. Also remember that those are affiliate links and we could monetarily benefit from them, so thank you in advance for supporting more videos like this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.